Hi everyone, welcome! Today in front of me is JBL Partybox on the go Essential, and I'm going to show you how to check your battery percentage and level on your speaker. Let's get started. First you have to turn on our speaker with this button over there, and wait a moment. Now as you can see there is 5 dots over there that is lighten up white. As you can see our battery is full. 1 means that our battery is lower than 10%, more than 3 and 4 signs that we have between 10 and 80, and full means that we have full battery. That's it. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos and hope it helps. Goodbye.